Okay, guys, so we are on a mission as usual to try the best foods in every area. And this video, we are going to be trying a place that I've been wanting to come to America for a while. They have been in America, but not necessarily in my area. And these guys focus on peri-peri chicken. They are the originators of peri-peri chicken, especially if you're from the UK. You know these guys as Nandos. So today we'll be trying the best dishes to try and trying to figure out what are the best dishes to try. The Nando's menu here is probably going to be a bit different from the one in the UK. So if you are visiting Atlanta from the UK, or if you've tried a Nando's other places in the United States, I guess you will find out what's on the menu today. So yeah, here we go.
So I'm super excited because we have finally opened up in Peachtree Corners. This is only our second location in Atlanta, the first one being in Dunwoody. It's been really great to open up. We're finally being able to expose people to our delicious flame grilled chicken. Obviously, we're known for our dope sauces. We range from anywhere from plainish to as hardcore as you want to go with XXX hot. The biggest thing for me is that we're trying to create an environment and a vibe where people know that they're welcome, and we want to fill them up and fill their bellies up with joy and with good food. If you look at our place, everything is filled with color. That's because every single item that we have here is from South Africa, from the chairs all the way to the beautiful art that's on the wall. We've got a great team here. Everybody here is just ready to serve, ready to give you a good experience. So we hope you have a great time. Here we have our Halumi Sticks. We're served with a nice chili jam. I love the chili jam because it has sweet meets spicy. Perfect. It also goes really well with our garlic bread.
This cheese dish is called Halumi Sticks. It's a halloumi cheese, which is like a cross between like a provolone meets mozzarella. It comes with a sweet chili. So it's like this sweet and savory type of cheese. Whoa. It's like a jelly. I like it. That looks pretty awesome. Hey, that's good. That's good. If you're a cheese lover, this is a good appetizer.
This is our hummus plate. You can have it with just pita, no judgment, but we decided to go with pita meets vegetables. It's always gonna be served with our peri drizzle. Absolutely divine. If you get this, you wanna make sure you shake it up really well, serve it right on top of your hummus if you can hang with some spice, but it doesn't need it. Our hummus is perfect, it has a nice garlic flavor, and it's covered with our nice super seed crunch.
So, check that out. So like she said, it has this cool sauce. I'm gonna spice it up a bit, because when you're at PERi-PERi, I mean, when in Rome, spice it up. So, without the spice, you can see this thing has nuts. It's a really unique type of hummus, actually. I mean, ooh. And it's very light. I like how it just stirs, you know? Stir. There you go. Look at that. Try this out. Oh my. Wow. Dip. Ooh. What is it about the hummus? What's it made from? Saw that coming. All right. I thought it was something unique, but this is really good hummus. Probably the best hummus I've ever had. I mean, I love how it's easy to dip, but it's really strong in flavor. Sausage hummus. Okay. Let's stir that in so I don't die by accident. Not too spicy. Okay. Whoa, wow. It kicks, but it doesn't kick too hard. So I like it. I would like to take this home, actually.
Now, of course, we're known for our chicken and our sauces, but everyone also comes for our peri chips. Delicious crispness, but it also has our peri salt sprinkled all over. You'll love it. Thank you so much.
So here we have a side of fries that you can get. It is
Okay, awesome. Oh, no problem.
I love these fries. They're spicy, sweet, and salty. It's delicious, like the ratio between the amount of fry that you get in one fry. The amount of flavor that you get compared to the size of the fry is pretty good.
This is our family platter. It comes with the whole chicken. You can pick out what spice level you like. I usually suggest people go with 2 spices, that way you can sample it out. We also have our thigh skewers, and it also comes with 3 different large sides. So the world is yours. I went with this Portuguese rice. It has a little bit of spice, but it also has some vegetables to keep it healthy.
I want to try chicken again, but I want to do it with the sauce. So, one thing that Nando's is known for that you do not want to miss. Don't miss the opportunity to try these when you come here, because Nando's is known for their chicken, but to me, they're also known for their sauces. This is when we break to a sauce breakdown. Let's break that down.
We have a plethora of different spice levels that you can hang with our sauces. Regardless of what your palate is like, we've got something for you. I always like to start people off with this one first. This one's gonna be our lemon and herb. Absolutely delicious. Not too much kick to it, so you don't have to worry about that. These are for people who have just a lighter palate. Next up, coming in, is our wild herb. That has a little bit more spice to it. We call it medium level spice. This is my absolute favorite of all of our sauces. This is our garlic, medium flavor. If you just want a little bit more kick, not too much garlic in there, I'd suggest this one. It blends really well with a lot of the different sauces. And now we're starting to get to our little bit more spicier sauces. These are for those folks who can hang with those spicier flavors, those super chilies. Hot's gonna be your first introduction to that. This is my next level. For those of us who can hang with Thai hot, this is the level you wanna go for sure. This is what we call the big boy sauce. Talk about triple X hot. Very flavorful. You're talking about a lot of kick to it, a lot of garlic coming out here. The thing I love most about our sauces is it's not about just being hot. We want you to feel and taste that delicious flavor first, and the spice should come last. This is where you can find it.
So now I'm here with the wild herb. I'm gonna try this one first. Okay, check that out. Chicken, herb sauce. All right, there you go. Oh, wow. The wild herb, it has a bite to it. I mean, wow. It has a really big bite to it. Jose, if you're watching, this is like your kind of chicken. All right. Now, obviously, they have the medium, the hot, the extra hot. And there's a few other ones, like this lemon and herb, I want to give a shot. So, with this full chicken, I'm going to break off a wing. That might be my favorite one. Probably because it's not eating me alive. So, still pretty good.
These are everyone's favorite. We've got our peri wings. This is a medium spice, a little bit of spice, but not too much kick. And we serve it with our peri ranch.
So here's the Nandos wings. Take a look right here. It is a very reasonable size, and it's medium flavor. It comes with peri ranch. So let's take a taste.
Nice.
The wings are really rich. Like, it's so full of flavor. I'm in love with it, and I really love the flavor of this ranch. It has so much flavor that it's really unique, and I really don't know how else to really explain it. It's really good. It's like chili. There's a chili taste, and it's really savory.
Hold it at the bottom so you get to it melted. Now, favorite pepperiness.
Okay, as you can see, there's not a lot of sauce visually, but they're really juicy. It's delicious.
Here we have our rainbow bowl. This is my absolute favorite menu item. It sits on a bed of Portuguese rice, surrounded by different vegetables, including hummus, our pickled cauliflower, and then you get to decide what type of chicken you like. My personal favorite is the pulled chicken. I went with the mango lime spice.
One of the kings of the shows that people come here for is this rainbow bowl. Check that out. I mean, it's colorful. That's why they call it the rainbow bowl, I guess. But we got also pulled chicken. I see avocado, Portuguese rice. I see cauliflower. There's a salad here. Is that hummus? Is that hummus right now? Are we getting more hummus with this? That's killer. So mixing all this up, then we're going to try this chicken. Check that out. Ginny's gotta try this. So this is Ginny trying the chicken. It's a mango lime chicken. I love the flavor of it. It's just delicious. Mixing this up. Now that I tried it with the chicken, I want to try it kind of mixed. Are you supposed to mix this?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, so now we got the chicken mixed with the hummus and the rice and the vegetables. Wow, there's cheese. What kind of cheese is this?
Feta.
Feta. Okay, cool. That's feta cheese. Here we go. Oh, man. I'm not gonna double dip. You gotta try this. That was delicious. That was probably the best bite I've had today.
Here is our summer favorite. This is our strawberry rose lemonade. So it's got a nice little sweet flavor, but it also has a botanical flavor from the rose. Perfectly perfect with a little bit of spice, a little bit of sour, and a little bit of sweet.
Strawberry lemonade, can't go wrong with that. And it didn't go wrong, oh goodness. Lots of lemon, lots of strawberry. That is a potent drink, goodness. Love it, love it.
Well, when you're ready to find us, we're gonna be in the Forum in Peachtree Corners. We're literally right next door to Home Goods and near Old Navy.
Nice.
We're gonna be available to serve you any day of the week from 11 to 10 p.m. Even on Sundays, same hours, we're ready for you.
So this was a great experience. I knew it was gonna be a great experience because Nando's, they live up to their reputation. Fries, everything from just the French fries here, all the way to the hummus, everything was seasoned well. There was nothing on this table that I felt needed more love. Everything was just done very, very well. So I'm gonna say my top 3 things. Obviously, the Rainbow Bowl is number 1. Number 2 is gonna be the Nando's Platter. It's about $44, but it feeds about 4 people. So don't be shy from this one. And I would say my number 3 is going to be the Nando wings. I love this place. I'll be coming back to this place. It's definitely something you don't want to miss. So check them out when you're in Peachtree Corners. And let me know in the comments if you've been here before what your favorite dish is. And we'll talk to you guys soon.